Here's the next question. Number 20. A buck boost DC to DC converter shown in the figure below is used to convert a 24 volt battery voltage to 36 volt DC voltage to feed a load of 72 watts. It is operated at 20 kHz with an inductor of 2 millihenry and output capacitor of 1000 microfarad. All devices are considered to be ideal. The peak voltage across the solid state switch in volts is dash. Sometimes the circuit given to us and the information given in the question is quite large and there's a lot, but you will have to try your best to break it down in a way that it actually becomes quite simple. Now here they are talking about a buck boost DC to DC converter with a lot of information. It is shown that it converts a 24 volt battery voltage to 36 volt DC voltage. A load of 72 watts is given to us and the operating frequency is given, the values of inductor and capacitor is given, a whole lot is given to us. But the question talks about the peak voltage across the solid state switch S. Now the peak voltage across this is when the switch S is turned off, because when the switch S is turned off, the diode D turns on. See, those are the basic points that will help you solve your problem. So you will have to know how a buck boost converter works. So here's the important point: when the switch S is turned off, diode D is on. So in this case, what happens to the circuit is that where the switch is, it becomes open and we have our voltage source here, we have our inductor here, and we have the load given to us. So since the question talks about voltage, keep your mind on the voltage, keep your eyes on the voltage as well. Here across the load we have 36 volts, which means the 36 volts is the same amount that is passing through this point here. And we have 24 volts for the source. So the peak voltage across the switch, across the solid state switch S, this is our S. Now across that point would be just the sum of both the voltages. So we have our peak voltage as the sum of 24 volts plus 36 volts. 24 volts plus 36 volts, that will give us a value of 60. So this is our final answer, 60. I hope it has helped.